I would like to begin my message by quoting an aphorism, sana in corpore sano. Do you know what is the meaning of that motto? Means sana in corpore sano. Yes, very good. A sound mind in a healthy body, or a sound mind in a sound body. So this is the very reason why we are here gathered this morning. Because we at DepEd, we do not only take care of developing the intellect of our children, we also take care of developing them physically well, the physical well-being of our school children. And this activity we have this morning is a very good venue in promoting the physical well-being of our school children. Aside from that, what do we develop? We develop the right attitude. We call that sportsmanship. Okay. So, ang dapat nga magpakita, una-una, kang sportsmanship, amo ang aton nga mga teachers. You should be models. So, amo ang modelo, ang aton mga technical officials, ang aton nga mga linesmen, ang aton mga scorers, and of course, our school children. Okay. So, my apologies if my outfit today doesn't fit the occasion. Out of place ako kadyang aga because I still have a speaking engagement in the pansangay na Tuklas Talino, Talento at NAVS today. Okay? So, Kulasi is always a strong contingent when it comes to sports competition in the provincial level. So our purpose is to select the best from among the best. So dapat mabuong natin ang ating objective kung sa hapon, or kung hindi matapos ka dyan, maybe we can have it tomorrow. So, many thanks sa ating mga importers, sa ating gin-request from high school, nga magbulig ka natin, nga mag-officiate. Siguro kung saan man mag-request ka natin, buligan na natin sanda kung anda rin chimpo nga sanda may sports event or sports tryout. Okay, so my warmest congratulations to all. Kag let us always think of the safety of our school children. So mura ang prominent nga dapat natin tandaan. Okay? So, by virtue of my authority as school's district supervisor, I hereby declare the 2013 District Sports and Athletics Tryout in the District of Kulasi open.
Okay, once again, good morning. Okay, this time is the scheduled event.